Bro, I thought the world was ending, so I went fishing. Apparently, this is the most polluted creek in my area, so I figured there'd be fish in here. The hike down there was terrible, but I made it, and then I actually ended up slipping, but I got back up just like my grandma when she falls. I used my little leg toothpicks to run across this hill. Then I got to work flicking my fish stick. I knew there'd be fish in these trenches. This guy might be snack sized, but he fought like a whale. North Carolina backflip release. I wiggled my rod some more and something bit. This fish was jumping out of the water like an airplane. I poop scooped him to safety and said hello. I have no idea what type of fish this is, but he looks tasty, so I ate him. Psych, I gave him that backflip, baby.